Hello students, today we are going to discuss the differentiation of implicit functions. First, you must know what is the difference between implicit function and explicit function. So I am going to explain here implicit function and explicit function. So implicit function and explicit functions both are very important functions from the point of differentiation. So what is implicit function? So I will explain the implicit function as some function of y and x equals to something else. Implicit function means some function of y and x equals to something else. For example, x square plus y square equal to r square. So in this function, the function is expressed in terms of both x and y, while in explicit function, y means y equals to some function of x. For example, we can say that y equals to plus minus under root of r square minus x square. So you can see here y is some function of x, that is called explicit function. But in case of implicit function, some function of y and x means you can see here this is a function in x and y here is equal to something else. So this is implicit function. So today we are going to discuss how to find the differentiation of implicit function. So let's discuss here how to do implicit differentiation. So here you have to remember three steps. First step, you have to differentiate with respect to x. Second step, you have to collect all dy by dx on one side. And third step, you have to remember solve for dy by dx. So these are the three steps you have to remember while implicit differentiation. So let's discuss here a counter example. X square plus y square equals to r square. Okay, so this is implicit function. So first step we are going to follow differentiate with respect to x. तो यहाँ पे हम differentiate करेंगे. तो x square का डेरिवेटिव 2x, y square का डेरिवेटिव 2y into dy by dx और ये r square यानी constant का डेरिवेटिव 0. Okay, तो आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे प्लस 2x राइट साइड की तरफ आएगा तो माइनस 2x हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे ये 2y by 2dy dx as it is. 2y multiply in the right side it becomes divide. So 2 cancel, left term is minus x upon y. So this is the required derivative of the given implicit function. एक और एग्जांपल लेके हम implicit differentiation सॉल्व करेंगे. x raised to 5 plus xy cube plus x square y plus y raised to 4 equals to 4. So this is implicit function and you have to find dy by dx. So first we are going to consider given x raised to 5 plus xy raised to 3 plus x square y plus y raised to 4 equals to 4. First step, differentiate with respect to x. So what is the derivative of x raised to 5? So 5x raised to 4 is the derivative. Now you have to apply UV rule here. X into derivative of y cube plus y cube into derivative of x plus again apply UV rule, x square into derivative of y plus y into derivative of x square plus y raised to 4 का derivative 4y cube into dy by dx. Constant का derivative 0. Now let's correct the terms without dy by dx. So 5x raised to 4 plus here you can see y cube into derivative of x, that is 1. So I'm going to write here y cube. Now all terms contains dy by dx. Okay, so I'm going to write here x into derivative of y cube, that is 3y square into dy by dx plus x square into dy by dx plus y into derivative of x square is twice x plus 4y cube dy by dx equals to 0. Now let's correct here 5x raised to 4 plus y cube. Also you can see 2xy here plus now let's correct the terms of dy by dx. यहाँ पे dy by dx, यहाँ पे dy by dx. So I'm going to write here 3xy square dy by dx x square dy by dx plus 4y cube dy by dx equals to 0. So therefore आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे टर्म ये पूरी प्लस, तो ऑन राइट साइड it becomes minus 5x raised to 4 plus y cube plus 2xy. Now let's take out dy by dx common. So what is left here? 3xy square plus x square plus 4y cube. Now this bracket is multiply here. On the right side it becomes divide. 5x raised to 4 plus y cube plus 2xy 4 divided by 3xy square plus x square plus 4y cube. So this is our required answer. So this is the implicit differentiation. Now let's discuss another question from the exercise 1.3. Root x plus root y equals to root a. So this is implicit function. So let's find its derivative. So first step, differentiate with respect to x. Root x का derivative 1 upon 2 root x plus root y का derivative 1 upon 2 root y into dy by dx. Root a is constant का derivative 0. Now the term 1 upon 2 root x is plus here. On the right side it becomes minus. Remaining term 1 upon 2 root y dy by dx. Now you can see ये 2 root y यहाँ पे divide, right side की तरफ आएगा तो multiply. 2 cancel. The remaining term is minus root y upon root x or minus of root y upon x is the required derivative of the given implicit function. Another problem we are going to discuss. Question 3rd from your exercise 1.3. X plus root xy plus y equals to 1. So again this is implicit function. So let's differentiate with respect to x. So derivative of x is 1 plus root xy. What is the derivative of root xy? 1 upon 2 root of xy into derivative of xy plus what is the derivative of y? dy by dx. What is the derivative of 1? That is 0. So let's write here 1 plus 1 upon 2 root xy. Derivative of xy is x into derivative of y, that is dy by dx, plus y into derivative of x, that is 1, plus dy by dx equals to 0. Let's solve this. 1 plus 2 root xy into x dy by dx, plus we are going to multiply by 1 by 2 root xy in the bracket. So 1 upon 2 root xy into x. So here I have written 1 upon 2 root xy into y, that is 1 upon 2 root xy into y, plus dy by dx as it is, 0 as it is. So let's solve this further. So I'm going to write 1 plus 1 upon 2 root xy into y. Okay. So here 1 plus y upon 2 root xy. Okay. These are the terms without dy by dx. Now we are going to write the terms with the terms dy by dx. That is 1 upon 2 root xy. So x is here, dy by dx plus dy by dx equals to 0. Now you can see dy by dx is here, dy by dx is here, coefficient is 1. So I can write this term. You can also cross multiply here. It becomes 2 root xy plus y upon 2 root xy, plus now take dy by dx common. So the left term is x upon 2 root xy plus 1. Okay. So let's solve this here. So you can see the term I have written plus here. On the right side it becomes minus 2 root xy plus y upon 2 root xy. On the right side the term with dy by dx is written here. Again you can cross multiply x plus 2 root xy upon 2 root xy. Now you can also cancel this term 2 root xy, 2 root xy. The term multiplies here, x plus 2 root xy is multiplied here. On the right side it becomes divide. So dy by dx becomes minus of 2 root xy plus y upon x plus 2 root xy. Also you can write like this, minus of y plus 2 root xy divided by x plus 2 root xy. So this is our required answer by using implicit differentiation process. Now let's discuss question number 8 from your exercise. Cos of xy equals to x plus y. So again this is implicit function. So you can solve by implicit differentiation. So differentiate. First step is differentiate with respect to x. So what is the derivative of cos? The derivative of cos is minus sine xy into derivative of xy equals to derivative of x is 1. The derivative of y is dy by dx. Okay. Now minus sine of xy, derivative of xy you can write derivative x into derivative of y plus y into derivative of x is 1. So here 1 plus dy by dx as it is. So take minus n xy inside the bracket. The term becomes minus of x sine of xy into dy by dx minus y into sine of xy. So तो 1 plus dy by dx here as it is. Now dy by dx, the term plus is here, लेफ्ट साइड की तरफ जाएगा तो ये माइनस होगा. तो आई एम गोइंग टू कलेक्ट ऑल dy by dx. तो माइनस x साइन ऑफ एक्स वाई, ये dy by dx as it is, ये टर्म प्लस इधर माइनस, तो इसका कोएफिशिएंट मैंने यहाँ पे 1 लिखा है. नाउ दिस टर्म माइनस, ओके, ऑन द राइट साइड ये होगी प्लस, ये 1 एज इट इज, ये माइनस का इधर प्लस होगा y इंटू साइन ऑफ एक्स वाई. नाउ टेक dy by dx कॉमन, ये राइट साइड की टर्म यहाँ पे एज इट इज, यहाँ पे कोई बदलाव नहीं. यहाँ पे बची कुछ टर्म जो है माइनस एक्स साइन ऑफ एक्स वाई minus of 1. Okay. Now you can see that the term is multiplied here, on the right side it becomes divide. So dy by dx equals to 1 plus y into sine of xy divided by, अब माइनस कॉमन निकाल सकते हैं, x sin xy plus 1. So this is the required answer of the given function cos xy equal to x plus 1 using implicit differentiation process. तो स्टूडेंट्स, आप इसी प्रकार implicit function के डेरिवेटिव्स आसानी से निकाल सकते हैं. तो मैं एक बार रिवाइज कर रहा हूँ. कोई भी implicit function का डेरिवेटिव निकालते समय आपको फर्स्ट स्टेप, यू हैव टू फाइंड डेरिवेटिव of the complete given function. Next, collect all the terms of xy and collect all the terms of dy by dx, and last solve for dy by dx and you will get the required answer. So in this way we can solve the implicit function differentiation process. तो स्टूडेंट्स, आपको इस डिफरेंशिएशन प्रोसेस में कुछ भी डिफिकल्टी रही तो मुझे मेल कीजिए, कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखिए, और ये वीडियो आपको कैसा लगा वो भी बताइए, और ये वीडियो आपके फ्रेंड्स के साथ जरूर शेयर कीजिए. तो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. हैव अ नाइस डे.